sheet pan chicken fajita recipe is right here, guys. The perfect delicious recipe in your oven. We will make this recipe in 30 minutes and this will be a super healthy, super delicious fajita recipe. 4 beautiful, all the way cleaned out chicken breast. For this recipe, we will use the chicken breast for it. Bell pepper, some lime, fresh onion, and of course we will use some taco bread with that. Since it's a Spanish Mexican recipe, right? It's so easy to make on the sheet pan, man. I'll tell you what to put, when to put, and how to put. It's so easy to do. We have a bell pepper, right? So we will slice the walls. We will slice our bell pepper. We are using at least 2 pounds of chicken breast right here. We have sliced our, the vegetables, the bell pepper, right? So far, I'm adding all in here in our marination bowl. We'll marinate this chicken fajita with our delicious home spices. The secret spices, nobody tells you that. 1 medium-sized onion. That's what we need. So we have chopped our vegetable. We will work on our meat chicken breasts. So what we will do, we will just slice it, elongate it, This is what we have to do. Once you cut it, just like that. Very easy, man. Look at this. Just like that, just like that, just like that. We have sliced our 2 pounds of chicken breast into very beautiful chicken finger style, just the slices. Some are very big, some are just make sure they're not super thick. We'll grab this meat and put it right here on top of our fajita veggies, just like that. Has been done. You will get rid of the gloves. So I was putting 2 fingers in 1 hole. First thing, guys, this is our lime. First thing, squeeze a whole fresh lime in here. Yum, huh? Fajita. Make this recipe, you will be happy. Black pepper, 1 whole tablespoon. It smells so good. I have the lime. Do you like the lime smell? I love it, man. Alright, meat tenderizer, at least 1 tablespoon of meat tenderizer. Paprika, smoky paprika, at least 1 tablespoon. Oregano, 1 tablespoon. This is garlic powder, 1.5 tablespoon. You can do that. Okay, sea salt, 1 whole tablespoon of sea salt goes in here. Onion powder, we will add at least 2 whole tablespoons right here. First, we added the lime layer on top of the meat, then we added all our dry ingredients. Again, one more lime right on top. Okay, olive oil for this recipe. Okay, olive oil, at least 15 tablespoons of olive oil goes in here. Here comes the magic. You can use a tongs and mix everything up. As a chef, we use our hands to give the flavor. Just mix everything up. This is how it should look. All the veggies, everything is right here, and it's good. It has a good mix all the way in. Yes, perfect. Leave it on the room temperature at least for 10 minutes. That's it, not more than that. Our beautiful chicken fajita sheet pan chicken fajita recipe is here. We marinated the meat, we put the vegetables. I showed you all the ingredients, how we're gonna put this, right? I'll put all the ingredients in the description box so it gets easy for you how to follow. So guys, look at this, 2 pounds of the chicken breast with the veggies. This is how it looks. There are 2 ways. Use a tongs, grab the whole thing and just put it right here and spread it, so it's not on top of each other. You can do that, or you can grab this whole thing and just land it right here. So easy. Look, very easy, huh? The remainings, yes, just make sure you scoop out everything right here, and here just spread all these guys, so the chicken, the veggies, they are not on top of each other. I'm sorry about that. Just make sure it's not a whole mountain. You know, we have to spread everything up. Recipe on the sheet pan. Let's bake this in our oven at 425 Fahrenheit, at least for 25 minutes. Right? 425 Fahrenheit. You know, guys, I have some tortillas. These are the whole wheat one, you know, the sheet pan fajita recipe. So by the time our chicken is ready, our beautiful tortillas will be ready with that. Well, guys, this is after 25 minutes. Our beautiful fajita, sheet pan fajita is right here. Wonderful looking, perfectly done. Yes, it's all done. Let me give you this. Look at this. Yes, sir, it's so done. Put the tortillas right next to it. There you go. $25 for this delicious recipe. Okay, to make it more tempting, put some lime in there, add some cilantro on it for the greenish touch, and some jalapeno. How delicious looking is this? You tell me. Enjoy this delicious recipe. Subscribe the channel if you're new here. I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy this montage. Moment of truth, you will grab a beautiful tortilla with that, okay, and we'll put the fajita right here, guys. Look at this. Put the chicken meat, put some peppers. Trust me, they don't need any extra sauce or something. If you want a lime, just squeeze a lime on top. Look at this, how beautiful this is. Roll this, and here you go. Whoa. Easy, simple, delicious. Man, I want to try this chili with that. Perfectly cooked homemade fajita tacos.